World War I and World War II were two major global conflicts that occurred in the 20th century. Here's some information about each of them. World War I, 1914 to 1918, Causes. The immediate cause of World War I was the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary in June 1914. However, the underlying causes were complex and included militarism, nationalism, imperialism, and a system of alliances. Major participants. The major powers involved in the war were the Allied powers, primarily France, Russia, the United Kingdom, and later the United States, and the Central Powers, primarily Germany, Austria-Hungary, and the Ottoman Empire. Key events. The war began with the declaration of war by Austria-Hungary on Serbia in July 1914. The conflict quickly escalated, with more countries joining the fight. Trench warfare, poison gas, and new military technologies made the war particularly brutal. The war ended with the signing of the armistice on November 11, 1918. Impact. World War I resulted in the loss of millions of lives, significant destruction, and political changes. It led to the collapse of empires, the redrawing of national boundaries, and the emergence of new nations. The Treaty of Versailles, signed in 1919, imposed harsh conditions on Germany, setting the stage for future conflicts. World War II, 1939 to 1945, Causes. The primary cause of World War II was the aggressive expansionist policies of Nazi Germany under Adolf Hitler. Other factors included the failure of appeasement, economic depression, and unresolved issues from World War I. Major participants. The main Allied powers were the United States, the Soviet Union, the United Kingdom, and China, while the Axis powers consisted primarily of Germany, Italy, and Japan. Key events. The war started in September 1939 when Germany invaded Poland. It quickly escalated as Germany conquered much of Europe, Japan expanded in the Pacific, and the Soviet Union was attacked by Germany. The war witnessed major battles such as Stalingrad, Midway, and Normandy. It ended with the unconditional surrender of Germany in May 1945 and Japan in August 1945, following the use of atomic bombs on the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Impact. World War II was the deadliest conflict in human history, resulting in tens of millions of casualties, including the Holocaust, in which 6 million Jews were systematically murdered by the Nazis. The war led to the emergence of the United States and the Soviet Union as superpowers, the establishment of the United Nations, the division of Germany, and the start of the Cold War. Both World War I and World War II had profound and far-reaching consequences, shaping the geopolitical landscape of the 20th century and beyond.